Hello mga kanegosyo! Welcome to this video on how to overcome obstacles in business. Every entrepreneur faces challenges and obstacles at some point in their business journey. But it's not the obstacles themselves that determine success or failure. It is how you handle them. Sa video na to, we will be discussing some of the effective strategies for overcoming obstacles in your business. Number 1, get clear on your goals. The first step in overcoming obstacles is to have a clear understanding on what you want to achieve. Kapag meron kang clear goal in mind, it's easier to see the path to success and determine what needs to be done to overcome any obstacles that may arise. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve and write down your goals in a clear and concise manner. Number 2, stay flexible in business. Things rarely go according to plan. Napaka-importante for us to stay flexible and be open to new ideas and approaches. Don't get too attached to one solution. Instead, be willing to adjust your strategy as needed. This will allow you to adapt to challenges and overcome obstacles more effectively. Number 3, seek out help and support. Running a business can be a lonely journey, but you don't have to do it alone. Seek out help and support from others, from your family, sa mga kaibigan, and other business people. You may also want to consider hiring a coach who can offer guidance and support as you navigate challenges in business. Number 4, focus on what you can control. Sa business, there will always be factors outside your control. Rather than stressing on the things that you cannot change, mag-focus tayo on what we can control. This includes our attitude, work ethic, and our response to challenges. By focusing on what we can control, we will be better equipped to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Number 5, keep a positive attitude. Maintaining a positive attitude is key to overcoming obstacles in business. Ang pagiging positive can help you see opportunities while others see only obstacles. And it can also help you maintain your motivation and determination even in the face of challenges. So, be sure to practice gratitude, stay optimistic, and surround yourself with positive people. In conclusion, overcoming obstacles in business requires a combination of clear goals, flexibility, support, a focus on what you can control, and a positive attitude. By applying these strategies, you can become a more resilient and successful entrepreneur. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.